From the special light and allure of New Mexico, welcome to Santa Fe and a trove of history, culture, and experiences to savor. And right in the heart of town, the historic Drury Plaza Hotel offers an incomparable gateway to this enchanting land. Surrounded by sculpture with ties to an ancient past, you'll immediately notice a connection to an artistic world. The Drury Plaza Hotel is an award-winning family-owned company, and we're proud to welcome you with a fast, friendly valet service. Then step into the elegant lobby to gather with friends or enjoy a welcome respite with all the services you'll need. Discover the wonderful layout and features of our guest rooms that provide true comfort and privacy. Suites are available with ample room, designer bathrooms, and living rooms to spread out and plan. Terrace rooms offer plentiful light, and as you unwind, you can step out onto a balcony for views and fresh air. Recently, the Drury Plaza Hotels have been renovating historic properties in a variety of cities, each with its own style and experience. In Santa Fe, the property has had a long and important history. It first took shape as a hospital, the birthplace of many a Santa Fean. Then, a vision to transform it into a luxury hotel began to unfold, and it has become a jewel in downtown Santa Fe. LEED certified, the Santa Fe Hotel has been designed with energy efficiency and beautiful amenities, offering facilities to accommodate all your traveling needs. We have large conference rooms with the technology and assistance your business requires. Our terrace decks are perfect for yoga, meditation, or a cup of coffee. Your choice of exercise is available in the fully equipped fitness room with mountain views. A home-cooked breakfast buffet on the second floor begins each day. Outside, Santa Fe beckons, history blending with the present. The historic Santa Fe Plaza was the end of the trail, and today it brings locals and tourists together to mix and mingle. From car culture to museums, art is everywhere and springs from every New Mexico tradition. And art is a big part of the Drury Plaza.
Welcome to Palace Avenue Arts. We're offering you a truly unique experience within the hotel. You're staying downtown Santa Fe at the Drury Plaza Hotel inside a fine art gallery.
Santa Fe is an outdoor adventure. Browse the vendors at the Palace of the Governors on the plaza. There's rafting, fishing, hiking, biking, golf in summer, skiing in the winter, and spas to soak it all away. If that special day is near, consider the gorgeous gardens for that unforgettable Santa Fe wedding. Around the Drury Plaza, a variety of beautiful grounds give you space to stroll or just catch a moment to relax. Seeking water? The rooftop pool and hot tub offer refreshing exercise and cool family fun. Our 5:30 kickback reception offers hot food and assorted beverages on the second floor every evening. From the elevator off the lobby, access the 5th floor and Bar Alto for handcrafted cocktails and chill to stunning mountain views from the bar or on the rooftop terrace in the waning light. Enjoy food from Eloisa to accompany your conversation and festivities. When it's time for dinner, Eloisa is our award-winning restaurant on the 1st floor. And Eloisa's outdoor patio is a summertime favorite. From the pool, hot tub, and bar on the rooftop to the expansive lobby, it's our pleasure to serve you and encourage you to explore the hotel and make it your own. There is much to be discovered both within and outside the hotel. With the city at your feet, whether on business or vacationing in the Southwest, the Drury Plaza Hotel welcomes you to an experience of comfort, fine service, and access to all the wonders of Santa Fe.